This is a 2015 CRV LE. I have the larger LCD display. Recently, my wife turned on this car and it was completely black. There's a message up here saying enter lock code or press the power button on the display. And so she thought it just meant to restart the car, but really it was saying the power button on the display, LCD display over here. Just press and hold it while it's on, and you see that lock screen code screen. I'll put in the video, but she just pressed it for a few seconds and then it went away. This isn't a tutorial video because the thing was, I just wanted to know if other people had this problem. We didn't change the battery or anything. It just popped up one day, and then we had to research it, and because it's newer, you don't have to enter in the lock code for the LCD radio, but Honda's very vague about what years you can get away without using the lock screen code, so you can just press power for a 2015 CRV over here. Might be different for even different models of the CRV.